Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the "Your connection is not secure" error in Mozilla Firefox. First, check your system date and time. Right-click on the clock in the bottom corner of your screen and open the date and time settings. Make sure the time, date, and time zone are correct. If they are wrong, fix them and restart your browser. An incorrect date and time can make security certificates look invalid. Next, clear your cache and cookies. Open Firefox, click the menu icon, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under Cookies and Site Data, click Clear Data. Select both options and confirm. Old or corrupted files can trigger this warning. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for a moment. Sometimes these tools interfere with secure connections. You should also restart Firefox. Close it completely and open it again. If the problem continues, check for updates. Click the menu, go to Help, then About Firefox. Install any available updates and restart the browser. Finally, test the website in a private window. Click the menu icon and open a private window. This opens a private window without extensions. If the site works there, one of your extensions may be causing the issue. Disable extensions one by one to find the problem. Thanks for watching.